Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Okaloosa County in northwestern Florida until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Baker, or 12 miles southwest of Crestview, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Niceville and Valparaiso. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Okaloosa, Florida. The following weather report